Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today we will learn how we can download Windows 10 without any delay. Let's jump into the video. First of all, we have to write keyword download Windows 10. Then we will check the official websites, Microsoft official. Then we have to click on this and we will redirect to the official website of Microsoft. Let's wait for some time. It's loading. Yes, so now you have to go to the three clicks, more options, and then dev tools. Otherwise you can directly click Ctrl Shift plus I, then you will also navigate on the same page. You have to activate these both options, then click here, click only one time, then you have to reload this page again. Just click here, reload this page and wait for some time. Page is reloading. It's taking some time. Yes, now page is uploaded, reloaded. So now just scroll down little bit and you will see here options, Windows 10 2025 updated version. This select edition Windows 10, you can select here, then click on confirm. It's validate your request. Then you can select the product language. By default it will be English United States. You can select this one also, otherwise if not uh, selected by default, then click on confirm and wait for some time. Then you will see the two options, Windows 10 United States 32-bit download, 64-bit download. So you can download as per your requirement. So I will click here and you will see here it will be started to download. Its size is 5.7 GB and mm, you have space around 6 to 7 GB. Then you can easily get this window, iOS window, on your laptop or device. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. I need more support to you like this for these videos. Thank you guys.